Hi, this is a classic lab done in biology. So we're doing this on diffusion and then also osmosis. So take a look right here. So I have some iodine here. This is its normal color. There's water, starch, and glucose. I took some glucose test strips and I put, here's a control, what it normally looks like. Here's water, starch, and then I dipped the glucose test strip in the glucose and it turned that color. Here, now we're going to use iodine and look to see what happens. I'm mixing iodine with water. And does it look the same? Just a little more dilute. Okay, and now, thank you. And now we're going to put it on starch. Can everybody see the camera? Okay, watch. Whoa, what's happening?
It's like clumping in the middle.
Yeah, so when iodine mixes with the starch, it turns kind of a, I know from your end it probably looks black, but it's like a very, very dark blue. And then here, we'll add it to some glucose. Okay, so iodine is used to test for what of those different solutions? What are we using iodine to test for? Starch. Good. So this dialysis tubing is modeling for us a cell membrane. And what did we put inside this dialysis tubing? We put in there what?
Starch and glucose.
And glucose would be characterized as a what? Monosaccharide, and the starch would be a, so two different sizes, yes? So maybe some things are gonna move or some things are not. And this right here is water, and what else is in here?
Iodine.
Great, so we're just gonna plop this in here and see what changes happen. All right, let's look at our results. So when we look at our results, did we have a change? Yes. Okay, so looking at what you need to do for your data table, did the iodine change at all? It's still what?
Brown.
Yeah, brownish orange. Did the bag change?
Yes.
Yeah, it changed from clear to what?
Dark blue.
Yeah, dark blue. So let's talk about what could have happened. What would make the clear starch and glucose turn this color? What did we test for? What did we find out? What makes starch go from clear to blue? Iodine. Yeah, iodine. Remember when we did the little test? And so when iodine must be small enough that it was able to move from the solution into the bag. Now, did starch move out of the bag?
No.
How do you know starch didn't move out of the bag?
The color isn't.
It's the same color as it was. If starch had moved out of the bag, what color would this be? What color would the beaker be if starch moved out?
Dark.
Dark blue. So now we all need to do is just test for glucose, and little tap, glucose moved.